Are you in need of a super tasty lunch or dinner idea? Well, I got you covered on this one. I'm here at Aldi. I'm gonna show you exactly what to get in this meal. Let me know if you've tried these. And this meal is super easy to make, okay? And I'm gonna show you a couple different options that you're gonna get your protein in, of course. It's gonna taste great, and just kind of adjust it to whatever diet that you're running. I'm also gonna throw in a snack or two, so to help you kind of get to your next meal. This will really help you out. Let me know if it does. Let me know in the comments, what are some of your favorite items you get here at Aldi? Because man, if you know on Aldi, man, Aldi got you covered on this. So let me start off by showing you a quick meal you can have for breakfast. If you're looking for something real quick, man, Aldi's got you covered. They got some great options here. Let me show you what I'm talking about. What I want you to do is go over to the yogurt section and just go look for these right here, man. Come on now. 15 grams of protein in one of these little guys. Now, this is the mixed berry. They also have a vanilla one as well. So what you can do, if you don't want to get the mixed berry, you can just grab a vanilla one. And I always highly recommend you go by the fruit section, the frozen fruit section, and go get these. I can't talk about these enough. These are great. I keep these in my freezer because I have a serving of these pretty much every day. It's going to get a good amount of fiber. You're getting your vitamins. It tastes great. It's not got a sweet tooth. I'm trying to tell you, keep some frozen fruit in your freezer. You will be using it. So what you can do, if you don't want to go with something like this, if you want to get the vanilla, just put your own berries on there. Even throw a little honey on top. I always talk about doing that, okay? So this will hold you down right here. This is 15 grams of protein right here for breakfast. In one serving of this fruit, you're going to get 5 grams of fiber, all right? So you can't beat it. If you're trying to get more fiber in your diet, go with the fruit, okay? I'm trying to tell you, it just tastes so good, okay? If you're really on the go and you want to just grab something, I always talk about these right here, these pillars. These things are great right here, man. 20 grams of protein. So what you can do, you can have one of these and just pour it over this. Pour one of these over a serving of this right there. I'm trying to tell you, you want a nice, refreshing drink, okay, where you're getting your fiber, you're getting your vitamins, you're getting your protein. This is a cheat code right here, okay? So take one of these and take a serving of these and thank me later. I'm trying to tell you, try this out and let me know what you think, okay? Now let's get to the real deal here. What I'm gonna show you here is a meal that I like to make. Love using beef for a source of protein. I eat beef all the time, so I'm always looking for different ways to eat it. Now, Aldi offers some options here to make it a little bit easier if you don't want to just grab you some beef, but if you do just want to grab you some beef, so Aldi has an extra lean beef here, 96 lean, all right? So they got you covered here. If you just want to make this, what you're going to be making here is meatballs, all right? I'm trying to tell you, don't sleep on meatballs. Great way to get your protein, and it tastes great. But if you don't feel like making the meatballs, then let me show you the cheat code. Check these out right here. Go by the frozen food section and check these out. All these got you covered right here. You can put these in the oven. You can make them on the stove. You can even chunk these yogurts in the microwave. Come on now, you can't get any easier than that, all right? So check these meatballs out right here, okay? Go by the frozen food section. They have them in there, all right? So be on the lookout for these. They also have some that are flavored. Let me show you. So they have these right here as well. The Italian seasoned already. Come on now, you can't beat that. Cheat code, bam. Put these in the microwave, put them on the stove, put them in the oven. This is so simple. You got a meal that's quick, all right? So this is an option. If you don't want to grab the meat and make it yourself, then just go ahead and get these. Keep them in the freezer. They're ready to go anytime, all right? Anytime you need a quick lunch, anytime you need a quick dinner, kids are like, I'm hungry, just throw a couple of these in the microwave. Be like, hey, get down on that, all right? So I'm trying to tell you, keep these in stock, okay? This is like a cheat code. I'm trying to tell you, if you're not down with eating beef, Aldi is holding you down right here. Check that out. They got meatless meatballs. Come on now. There's just no more excuses now. Look at that. Vegan meatless meatballs. You cannot beat that, all right? Same way. Put these jokers in the microwave. Throw them on the stove, in the oven, however you want to do it. But look, there's no more excuses right here. Look, all these got you covered, all right? So check these out. If you're not getting down with beef and you want something meatless, boy, Aldi got you covered. Now, if you do decide to make your own meatballs, okay, all you got to do is just grab your little Italian seasoning. That just makes it simple too, okay? Aldi's got you covered on the seasoning. I mean, you get seasoning anywhere, Walmart, H-E-B. I'm here at Aldi. Aldi has Italian seasoning, salt and pepper, a little Italian seasoning. You're good to go right there. But you want to really kick those meatballs up a notch with that Italian seasoning. If that's not enough, just go get you some marinara. Come on now, you cannot beat that. Look at that marinara right there, okay? Now make sure you measure this out. I'm trying to tell you, this is so simple. You have to try this. Let me know if you've tried this or what would you add to it. I need to know in the comments. Let us all know so we can all get some better ideas, you know what I'm saying? But hey, check this out. Go get you some marinara. You're gonna put on the meatballs. Now everybody has different kind of diets. Some people are low carb, some people are no carb, some people, can eat carbs. It doesn't matter. Whatever kind of diet you're running, you can run with regular pasta. You can get some protein pasta if you want to add the meatballs to. You can get the miracle noodles that I showed you I get at Walmart. But here at Aldi, they have these right here, the hearts of palm. Look at that right there, okay? The one serving of this is the angel hair pasta, is 4 grams of carbs. So if you're low carb, this is perfect, all right? This is a perfect way to get it. Add the meatballs to this right here and you got your meal. I'm trying to tell you, I don't know how much easier I can make for you. Aldi's really helping you on this one. There's no more excuses, okay? This can be a healthy lunch, a healthy dinner for you and the family. But yeah, you can check these out. And if you like linguine, check that out. Boy, they've got linguine up in here. Come on now. You can't beat that, man. 4 grams of carbs, look at that. Cheat code. I'm trying to tell you, you got to try this out, all right? And I also recommend you always get some type of vegetable, all right? Veggies are so important. Eat your fruits and veggies. Come on now. Remember your mom used to always tell you, you need to eat your fruits and veggies? Yeah, man, you got to eat them veggies. Looking for something that's quick and easy. I want you to grab some of this right here. Asparagus, man, if you know, you know on asparagus. I like to make fresh asparagus if I can, but these are a cheat code because you just keep them in the freezer and they're ready to go when you're ready to go, all right? It's so easy to make. You can make them on the stove, you can throw them in the microwave. It just can't get any easier. What I like to do is put a little spray butter on there and then I'll add a little Tony Chachere's on top, okay? And they just taste great, all right? I mean, come on now, asparagus is one of the best vegetables that you can eat, so definitely go check these out, okay? But yeah, you know, if you don't like asparagus, you know, you can get broccoli or just pick some type of veggie, some type of green veggie preferably, but pick some type of veggie that you like to eat, okay? So somebody asked me one time about garlic bread. Now, what I would do personally, if you want to get down with garlic bread, what you do, this Aldi has keto bread here. You don't have to use keto bread if you don't want to. If you're not keto, that's fine. But the keto bread here is pretty good. It's soft, it tastes good. So go get you some keto bread. All you got to do is just toast this up, put a little butter on it, and put some garlic salt on there, all right? On some keto bread with a little butter, you got your garlic bread, all right? But yeah, that's just an option if you're trying to get some garlic bread, all right? So I prefer going with the keto bread because I like to keep it lower carb. You don't have to go keto bread if you don't want to. Man, if you're diet or fitted, go get you some real garlic bread, you know what I mean? It's just up to you, but yeah, this is just an option. I had somebody ask me about garlic bread. This is how I make my garlic bread if I do make it. So hopefully this will help you out. If you have a recipe that you use for some garlic bread, let us know, man. Put it in the comments, you know. We're all trying to help each other out, all right? So there you have it. You have a breakfast idea. You have a dinner and lunch idea that's going to taste amazing, okay? So you need to go to Aldi. You need to find these items. Like I showed you, those meatballs. Find you the pasta if you need it, get you that marinara sauce. If you don't want to go with those meatballs, which are so simple because you just keep them in the freezer and they're ready to go when you're ready to go, then of course get the beef, make the meatballs yourself. Nothing wrong with doing that as well. Just as long as you're getting your protein in, measure out however much protein you need to get in. Make sure you're tracking with MyFitnessPal, like I always tell you. All right, swap these out with some of the meals that you might be having. Add them to your new routine. Check them out. See if you like them. If you like them, keep them in routine. If you don't, then just move on to something else, all right? But these are some easy meals that you can make for lunch or for dinner that you don't have to feel bad about, all right? And the family will like them, I'm trying to tell you. So let me know what you think about this one. Let me know what I can add to this meal or what you like to add, or just some of the ideas that you like whenever you come to Aldi, all right? So I can be on the lookout for those as well. You know, I'm always trying to find new ideas, and I'm gonna keep trying to help you out as much as possible. But let us know, let us all know in the comments. You know, we're all trying to help each other out, but I'll talk to you next time. Let's go.